In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list on Google Docs, whether it's for outlining an agenda, making a to-do list, or simply organizing your thoughts in a clean and efficient manner. Knowing how to create a numbered list can be incredibly useful. We're going to walk through the process together, step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly add numbered lists to your documents. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your Google Doc and navigate to the specific area where you want your numbered list to start. It's important to place your cursor exactly where you want the list to begin, as this will dictate the starting point for your numbered items. This can be anywhere in your document, such as the start of a new paragraph or alongside existing text. Once your cursor is in position, take a look at the top toolbar on your screen. Here, you'll find the numbered list icon. It's easy to spot. It resembles the number 1, along with a few horizontal lines to symbolize a list. Clicking this icon activates the numbered list feature, which will automatically insert the number 1 at your cursor's location in the document. This is the beauty of Google Docs. It simplifies this task with just a click. Next up, with the numbered list now activated, go ahead and type the first item on your list. This could be anything you need, from steps in a process to items in a sequence of information. Once you've typed your first entry, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action is key because it will automatically continue your list by adding the next number below your current item. It's a smooth process that enhances consistency and keeps your list aligned correctly without any additional formatting work. From here, simply continue typing each new item, pressing Enter after each one. Google Docs will keep numbering the list for you in order, streamlining the process and ensuring your document remains neatly organized without any hassle. And there you have it, a perfectly formatted numbered list without the need for manual entry of numbers. Remember, the flexibility of Google Docs means you can easily modify the list later. If you want to add more items between existing ones, just place your cursor at the desired location, press Enter, and your numbering will adjust automatically. Google Docs takes care of maintaining the correct sequence for you. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed a blank section of your document into a well-organized, numbered list. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between, these straightforward methods can help improve the way you present information in your documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.